It's all.
Can I start?
Whenever you are ready, Neil.
Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, N double dizzle.
You guys hear the beat? You guys hear it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is like,
Do it, man.
Alright, first off, let me just say that anybody who survives trauma or war or anything like that is a warrior in my book, alright? So here we go. Alright, it's the story of his life. First things first, family's more important than anything else. So before I say anything else, I like to pay homage to the homie that survived. He survived everything, lived his life to the fullest extent, no matter what the consequences. Even when his family died, he was about 12 when he said his whole body went into shock, like it was shot out of a cannon, and he was crying the loudest he can. That must really hurt, man, when you find out that your whole family was burned down. That's devastating, beyond belief. All I wanted to stress were two things. Two things. Never give up, no matter what controversy that surrounds you. And then the second, one of the most important ones, family is important for life, lessons, love, and such. He remembered his father say, if you're alive, there's hope for a better day. Then remember the center. There was this one nurse, Esther. He was blessed to have her. She was loving and caring, and that's what he was needing at that time in his life. Whoa, this time's flying by. Hope you guys like my rhymes. I had to do it for you guys.